What would the world be like without emojis? Well, we've been so used to sending a smiley face or an angry face or a thumbs up on our phones that it's just second nature to us all now. In fact, while we're on that subject, don't forget to hit that like button on this video. But in my travels, I've noticed many people surprised to learn that Windows and Mac both have an Emoji Keyboard available to them. They're not new, yet a lot of people aren't even aware that they exist, so hence this video. So if you're on Windows 10, to use the Emoji Keyboard is really easy, and to bring it up is simply a matter of pressing the Windows key and the period, or the full stop, or the dot, or whatever you want to call it. Do that together, and you'll get this, where you can scroll through and select whatever emoji you like. Now, this will work with whatever application you have open that can utilize text input, but you can open it on the desktop or anywhere you like if you want to take a look at it. So let's go and open up Word, and then we'll hit Windows and dot, and you can use it to enter an emoji there. Now, from this window, you can use the typical emoji that you expect to see. We can use these Japanese emoji and a variety of different symbols. So if we find the emoji we like, we can simply select it, and that's going to pop it into our document. But we can also do this as we're typing. So let's just remove that, and if we start typing something, it's not going to automatically suggest something like you'd see on an iPhone, for example, but we can do a similar thing by typing whatever we want, and then we'll press the Windows key and the dot. And if we continue typing our application, you can see that by typing heart, it automatically searched the emoji for a suitable match. Now, if we were to open up Notepad, we could do the same thing with Windows and dot. We'll select that heart. So we can use the Emoji Keyboard here too. Now, obviously, if we were using Facebook or some other kind of social media application, then that's going to work there too. Now, whilst a lot of these emojis are the same as you'll expect to find on an Android or an Apple device, there are some unique ones. So have a look, and I'm sure you're going to have some fun with them. Now, if you're on a Mac, you can do the same thing by using the keyboard shortcut of Control, Command, and Space. And that'll pop up the emoji picker as you see here. Now, admittedly, the quality and resolution of Apple's are far better than Microsoft's in my opinion, but the key takeaway here is that regardless of whether you're an Android or iPhone or your Microsoft Windows or Apple Mac, that we've all got the same ability to send emojis with our messages in much the same way. Now, for the Mac, however, if you bring up the emoji viewer and you keep typing, it doesn't search the list, but there is a search option in the top right here. So if we type in dog, it's going to return the appropriate results. Now, they're actually more than what you see here, by the way. If we click this little icon in the top left of the window and choose Customize List, you can see that there's many more symbols and there's a bunch of different scripts and code tables as well to choose from. So the Mac has pretty much everything covered. So whatever you're using, there's pretty much an emoji keyboard for everyone, and that should make everyone happy. What did we ever do before we had emoji? Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.